A company called Carpet Diem.
Yep.
It is a play on the Latin phrase of carpe diem, seize the day.
Correct.
And so I imagine that carpet diem is kind of, something special to you and the kind of the way you approach life.
Correct. My wife came up with it on the spot out of nowhere. We were at dinner and she just spelled it out, Carpe Diem. And I was like, Carpe Diem? She goes, yeah, Carpe Diem. That's the name of our business.
Yes.
That was it, set in stone. I was like, that's a great name.
Yeah. I met Amanda the other day, and she's a pretty clever and witty gal. So it's a great name. It's catchy, and for you guys that need cleaning services, Jason and Amanda are here to help you get your homes spick and span clean. Tell us a little bit about Carpet Diem.
Carpet Diem is a professional steam cleaning service, and we specialize in carpet, tile, and upholstery cleaning. We've also started fogging, dry fogging, and ultraviolet fogging.
Okay, I like that. That is new to kind of the cleaning industry, especially since COVID and the onset of infectious diseases and things. And tell us a little bit about how that works and why it's so important in your home and maybe even in your business.
Yeah, 100%. It's been taking over since COVID. It's been around for a while, just not mentioned enough or even thought of. But when we're inside cleaning your carpet, a lot of people don't know that the carpet is the largest air filter in your home. So it traps all the bug mites, the dirt, believe it or not, feces.
Yeah. Pet dander, especially if you have pets, they're not so clean, the pets anyway. So yeah.
Just a fun fact: pets can bring up to a pound of feces a year into your home.
Yeah. Wow. Who knew? But you're new to Houston.
Right.
Tell us a little bit about your journey here, and I find it amazing your energy and your enthusiasm about meeting people and serving the community is really cool.
Well, thanks, Tess. My wife and I decided to move out here in November of last year. We were living in Las Vegas. Decided the economy was taking a different turn. Vegas was making a different approach, so we just moved out to Houston. My wife's family is very large, all throughout Texas. So Houston is her place. This is where she was born.
Okay.
So she loves Houston. She has some family out here, and this is our location. This is where we decided to make a destination.
That's right. I remember her saying that the other day. Yes, Houston's not a bad place at all. I've been here for 31 years now. I'm 62 years old, so half my life I've been in Houston, and it's been great for meeting great people like yourself, business partners, people that are out there helping other people with their homes, with their businesses, and things of that nature. Tell me a little bit about how you got into this.
Into the cleaning business.
Yeah, into the cleaning business,
Well, I first started off in the restaurant business, the service industry. That was when I was 15. So I was cleaning carpet and washing dishes. If you're in the service industry, you need to keep things clean. It's just part of the job. It's the main part of the job. My father owned a carpet cleaning business for so many years, it kind of worked hand in hand. And coming out here, wanting to own your own business and do a service that is needed. The carpet cleaning business alone is an $8 billion a year business. So might as well grab a small piece of that pie.
Right. And for you guys that are out there thinking about listing your home, selling it, one of the easiest things you can do to create some curb appeal, so to speak, or to remove objections that folks that are coming through the house might have is to have your carpets cleaned. And so tell us a little bit about what you do. How do you go about evaluating the project or the cost and things of that nature?
The cost is typically based on a per room average with a square footage maximum. So anything over 250 square foot would be considered a double room. It's pretty large, 20 by 10 or 20 by 15. It's a pretty large room. Other than that, every room is based on the size. So
Okay.
it's $40 a room on your typical base.
Okay.
And it goes up if it's a little larger. Stairs are always $4 a stair, and then on hallways we do a linear foot.
Okay.
Pretty simple. We don't charge for any extra stains or pet urine or how dirty it is.
Okay.
It's just based on size.
Okay.
When you're getting your carpet clean and anyone tries to sell you stain removal, pet removal, that's what the main purpose you called somebody to come clean
To
the carpet.
begin with, and now you're trying to take advantage and trying to upcharge the
You
client.
can see a lot of carpet cleaners, they'll advertise a certain set fee, but once they get in the house, they evaluate and then they start adding small things on. And I don't like that. Nobody does.
Right.
Nobody likes to be told over the phone $150 and then you're $300 later.
Right.
Because of a pet stain, which that's the reason you called us in the first place.
Right.
You want your carpet clean? Let's clean it.
Yeah.
Now we do that for a lot of realtors, a lot of renters, anybody that's looking to more just cleanse their house.
Yep.
And when you clean the carpet, you're again cleaning the air filter, so you're cleaning the air at the same time.
Right.
That's what got us into fogging too.
Okay.
Because when somebody moves into a home, you have no idea who lived in it beforehand, what their habits were, how they cooked, all those fragrances, all those bacteria and germs are everywhere. Now when we come in and just clean the carpet, what we're doing is lifting those bacteria and they will go into the air. So we're just kind of moving them around and sucking up about 99% of all the germs and bacteria that are in the carpet. But you're still going to get the dust and everything else that's going to go and pollute the air.
Right.
So that's why fogging and cleaning the air is so important as well.
Okay.
It's really a complete fresh start for the home.
All right. And so if I were to call you today, how quickly could you get to my job?
So we are sectioned off. So we do Katie's on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we hit the South on Monday and Tuesdays, and then we kind of fill in the rest.
Okay. All right. So
next day service would probably be ideal.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. And how do the folks get a hold of you?
So they could call us at 281-400-1515. That'll go directly towards us. And then you can check us out online at carpediemtx.com. You could find us at info@carpediem.com for our Instagram and our Facebook.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, guys, thanks again for joining me and to meet Jason of Carpet Diem. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification